Here are some of the materials that you will need: a sewing machine, fabric, it should be cotton fabric, a flat surface, scissors, thread, ruler, elastic bands, and an iron, and maybe some head pins. First, cut the fabric 9 by 12 inches, and then cut the elastic bands 6.5 inches, and you need to make 2 of these. And now we have to fold the fabric so that the 9-inch sides touch each other. So you have to fold it like this, so that the pretty part is on the inside. Next, we have to secure these inside the fabric. So like this, preferably with head pins. And then you have to sew around except for the middle part here. Now we're going to make some pleats, which are basically folds. And the easiest way to do this is to first split both sides into 4 sections with these pins. The pins are there to help you know how to fold. So you fold it like this. After you fold it, try to secure it by pinning the fold. And now sew around the mask. And now the last step is to just open it up and put it on.